Agenkyo niga kwirira abana banyaruka kwerusanania ase abande kurende kurwase kinyorokia mkao moto imiyo muchyo malindi musubate yomo Claudia Rahabu niga rentire ugonchiria sabanyaruka bake
nigo bono bakwenyorera abanyaruka bakwenyora ase amabe yo kwenyora noburito bwagenkyo gwetera ase ogochakia ekyombe kyae ya Pamoja Girls kyo gekorwa obasemia uchasa abanyaruka abo hamo nabamura kwirenda muri kito Debora Kerubo agotumanya senchero bwikira
amarita enkyo nigo akwirira abana banyaruka kwirusanania sabande kulinde kurwase kinyorokia mkao moto imeyo muchyo malindi e county ya Kilifi omusubati Claudia Rahabu niga rentiro gonchereria sabanyaruka bake abuba kwenyora samabeyo bolito bwegenkyo gweterase ogochakia ekyombe gya Pamoja Girls ekyo gekurobo semia guchia sabana banyaruka nabamura.
I founded Pamoja Girls and currently we have added a bit of boys, so it's Pamoja Girls and we work to mentor the girls and in the community. Organization is because of my life story, and for me I just wanted to give back to the community because of reasons that I've been able to from a very young age.
Okwirana magega gwichisemi gosowa se chinyomo chia bwango okongusana na se family negatie mechanda bana banyoroka bagwetera magega yo kwebwaterania kolende asa yonsi emegano yo balemereria no kwatesiwa nigo yaberege kuroka gwetera soko bwatesiwa ne kyombe gya Pamoja Girls ekyoge koro ebitamba byo bochano amona maigero yo bosoni.
So we usually do mentorship in schools, and then we also do sanitary towels distribution for the girls, dignity kits for both the girls and the boys. We usually support the boys when it comes to talents, like supporting them in football materials, like we buy footballs, we give jerseys, supported more than 10,000 girls, I can say. More than 10,000 girls and more than 3,000 boys. It really gives me that fulfillment, and I feel that this is where I belong. And I feel like this is what I need to do. Now, the only challenge is the sustainability part of it. So I'm currently really trying how this is going to be sustainable. And that's why we are trying to come up with new projects, new initiatives. We try to have the computing, the tailoring, so that it can become a sustainable project.
Ase kuna yaka machu omoro kia bobo semia se skuru ya Pamoja New Heart Educational Center nige kyombe kyo gya Pamoja Girls gya konyira abana baiseke amona abana bamura asoko kya ni malito weterase maigero bakonyora imeye skuru yo nobo semia
initiative of Pamoja Boys and Girls. In terms of curbing teenage pregnancies, it has made a very good progress. Like in Kilifi County, where our operations are based, in 2023, the percentage or the number of teenage pregnancies was about 67%. And come 2024, it was about 55%. So that was at least a progress. And this year, 2025, we are really hoping that it will go down to 50% and even more less.
Jacqueline Pendo noyo mwa banyaruka abo banyoliro bokonyi gwetera samaigero yobosoni bwechianga.
Kwa umri mdogo, lakini nimeshtuka akili inaweza jishughulisha na kazi hata za mikono kama tailoring na vitu zingine.
Debora Kerubo, Ensoko TV.